making spicy shrimp tacos with garlic, cilantro, lime slaw. So let's get started. First step, we're going to be washing our hands for 20 to 30 seconds.
One of the reasons I chose to make this recipe is because it's really simple, really delicious, and it takes no more than 30 minutes to make.
So to start off, we're going to be making the cilantro lime sauce. So we'll need 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of cilantro, 2 limes juice, 1/4 cup of oil, and 1/4 cup of water, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 3 garlic cloves. And we're gonna need green onions. So for this step, we're gonna need a chop of green onions. So make sure you hold the knife correctly and cutting it away from you.
By chopping up the onions, we're going to be cutting them into small pieces to fit the recipe.
We're going to be mixing all the ingredients except for the sour cream. So we're going to start out with the green onions, cilantro leaves, oil, water, lime juice, the 3 cloves of garlic, and our salt. Go ahead and add the sour cream. So now that it's done, we're going to set it aside, and we're going to start with our shrimp tacos. So for shrimp tacos, we're going to need 1 pound of shrimp, 8 corn tortillas, 3 cups of shredded green cabbage, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper combined, 1 avocado, and 1/4 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. So for the shrimp, we're going to be taking off the tail and cutting the shrimp into medium pieces.
An interesting fact about shrimp is that it contains both omega-3 and omega-6 essential fatty acids important for your brain and immune system health.
So we're going to go ahead and cut the shrimp into 3 small pieces. Sure that the shrimp is nice and dry.
So now that our shrimp is dry, we're going to go ahead and turn on our stove, place a large skillet onto medium heat, and drizzle some oil on it.
So now I'll be mixing all the seasonings. Sprinkling onto the shrimp. Shrimp on the large pan, we're going to saute for 5 to 8 minutes. Saute means we're going to be quickly frying the shrimp. So while the shrimp is cooking, we're going to pour the sauce on the cabbage, but not all. Just enough so it could be covered. now for the avocado, we're going to be cutting it.
Now we're going to be frying a corn tortilla and forming it into a taco shell.